Hi Alex here with Kraft Heinz and this article on the blog of the company. Warren Buffett, dangerous, ignorant animal, very dangerous in fact, that we already referred to, I don't know, confirming here, validating throughout the years, versus AI vision investment philosophy. You have this article where the most important is obviously the story of the investment process in this company that I downgraded to strong sell at $82. At that time, I referred to it as a bubble when this American croc was investing and pumping shares while the consumer habits they changed significantly in the past years, deceiving people all over the world, in particular in the United States, where these stupid Americans, they believe in crocs. Not like elsewhere in other countries, but unfortunately that is the case in the United States. Just look at their president and you are going to comprehend. So I suggest that you start by referring to the investment lesson as well as others in the free course on how to invest, because it is free, or it has been since the beginning, or it was free, and we made available the free course and many others. And today you have shares of this company trading at $33, therefore only a complete idiot, in other words, 99% of Americans, they will not have made a considerable profit selling short this scam. Therefore, this once again validates what you have here on the blog of the company. You just have to click, and it is based on mathematical facts, a study comparing Warren Buffett to a monkey investing in the markets where the monkey is outperforming Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett, the croc, he has never invested, just to refer to one company, to Willio. He does not even know what the company does or the name of the company. He is an animal, a very dangerous animal, gambling with other people's money. And with this, I terminate congratulating everyone for the remarkable profits obtained by selling short this American scam Heinz. Thank you.